Hello beautiful and lovely people, and welcome back to my channel. After many full glam tutorials I've done lately, I'll show you my everyday makeup routine, my go-to look, the look I do most frequently. It will be a simple everyday makeup tutorial. Just a quick reminder before we move forward, go and enter the giveaway I organized and be the one to win 3 amazing NYX products. The winner will be chosen at random on 31st of March. This look, guys, will be perfect for going to the supermarket, going for a walk in the park, going to school or going to work, going to university, or just for a fresh summer walk. Okay, it's time to start doing this lovely look. I'll start with applying my primer as usual. I'm using the Nivea primer. This moisturizing gel from Nivea is perfect base before applying the foundation. I use the full coverage foundation, but it's up to you. This is the foundation I'm gonna use. 2 shades from NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop full coverage foundation. You can use a BB cream or a CC cream, whatever works the best for you. I'm using my beauty blender. I blended out the foundation with my beauty blender, and now I'm applying my favorite concealer from collection. I'm applying in the inner corner here. And in the outer corner as well. Of course, I'm blending it out. Now I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow base. The same one I used in my previous video. It's a SHEGLAM Ready Set Primer. I'm applying it on my eyelids. All over my eyelids. For eyeshadow base, you can use your concealer as well. Today I chose the Artistry palette from SHEGLAM, the same I used in my last video. As you can see, there are no names. I'm gonna use this color here and the other warm tone nude color. First I'll start with the darker one. Blend it out with a blending brush with circular motion. And I'm gonna apply the other nude color under the eye crease on my eyelid and blend both of the colors together. It is just a nude natural finish. I repeat the same thing on the other eye and I'll be back. I decided to add a little bit of shimmering, brown shimmering color on the eyelid center, cause why not? And I'm applying my eyeliner, same Rimmel eyeliner. It's gonna be a simple winged eyeliner. I just finished with the eyeliner and now I'm gonna let it dry, and in the meantime I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'll start with the setting gel with a spoolie brush and a setting gel to set my brows into the right place. This gives your brows more natural look. If you want to fill in the gaps with a pencil, it's okay. After applying the setting gel, I'm gonna define my eyebrows with this pencil highlighter from Morphe. When it comes to spreading a concealer or a highlighter under the brows, I find this Morphe concealer brush for the perfect choice. My eyebrows are highlighted and now I'm gonna curl my lashes and put my mascara. I decided not to use falsies today, but if you want to, you can put your favorite falsies. It's up to you. I curled the lashes and now I'm gonna comb them with this pulley brush. I'm gonna put my High Sky mascara. For my lips, I'm gonna put this nude matte lipstick from SHEGLAM. I added a little gloss on top and now I'll start sculpting my face. For sculpting, I'm using this sculpting palette from Rimmel. I am taking blush and contour and I'm gonna put here on my cheekbones. With the contour sculptor, I'm gonna sculpt my nose. For applying the powder contour on my nose, I'm using a small fluffy brush. It helps me apply the contour on the right places. I don't want to put too much. And I'm finishing the look with a little highlighter. I'm highlighting my nose and above the cheekbones as usual. This was my simple go-to look, my everyday look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed doing this look. It's one of my favorite looks. You can wear this light makeup during the day, in the evening, and everywhere, every day. And honestly, it's really cute. Now go to my Instagram and enter the giveaway I organized. Thank you for watching and see you next Tuesday.